What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today, we have an amazing daily market update. We have a lot to cover. Free money. You want some free money? You want a free airdrop from Xrp? Guess what? If you hold Xrp, there's another airdrop that I'm actually going to be participating in this time, unlike the Flare one. And I will be covering that in this video. We've also got Taproot, which is a Bitcoin upgrade that is happening. Big news right there, right? I want to start off by looking at the bubbles, okay? Take a look at the bubbles. Actually, before we do, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and turn the post notification bell on. Now look at this. Bubbles. Everything is green, okay? Every single thing is green except a couple. Now, guess who told you that on November 10, when all of this was deathly red, guess who told you that this will be possibly the last buying opportunity for new people in the market? If you would have bought anything in the top 100, you're basically up again right now, okay? Especially if you bought something like CRO. If we take a look at CRO, oh my goodness, 41 cents? I am so happy that I continued to hold this. There were many, many times I thought about selling, but we're good on that. Now look at this. We have the total crypto market cap. So basically what we did is we rejected 3 trillion, right? We did not make a candle close, a daily candle close above 3 trillion, okay? This is what I do want to see on the crypto market cap. Honestly, I think we're going to come like this and then boom, okay? Just a little bit longer. I'm going to show you something on the Bitcoin chart too, but look at this. 3 trillion, right? Came down. Now we're sitting at 2.8. These are numbers we've never seen before. Like this is like insanity, okay? So let's look at the total market right here. We have XRP. Basically everything's in the green right here, slowly creeping back up. Avalanche is almost at $100. Chainlink 34. If we look at Bitcoin, look at the moon cycles, okay? With the moon cycles, just as like another reference point, right? We've done a lot of different charts on Bitcoin. So if you're trying to say that we're not allowed to have some fun and look at the moon cycles, first of all, look at this money flow, consistently green at the bottom, if you can see that. Consistently massive momentum waves. Basically on the daily since July, there's only been 2 waves below the 0 line, right? Oh shoot, you can't even see it over there. Look, since July. So that's like big momentum brewing, right? But what I'm saying, we have a full moon, which are usually historically local bottoms. We have a full moon coming up on November 19, okay? And it's an eclipse too. So what if we come down here and actually even touch this support again right here? What if we do? Or we touch that 59K again, and then it's blast off time. If we do that, that is the final buying opportunity, like 100%. Okay, and then nearing the end of the month, we have Plan B's prediction of 90,000. So what if we just come down a little bit more, bounce around up here, and then by the end of the month, you know, be approaching 90K, which would be insane. But we still have a lot of time to go in the month. We also have this chart just to catch you up on what's been going on. This is the line chart, and it basically shows different events that are happening. So right here, Binance ban sinks Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin fell to 30K in June. And then one thing I wanted to point out on this, Bitcoin firmly retakes 51K, and then El Salvador adds Bitcoin as legal tender. Look what happened to the price. The biggest history ever, the goal of Bitcoin basically was completed to be legal tender and be an actual currency being used. And the price dumped from 52,000. The result of that El Salvador, the net negative was 41,000. We returned to 41,000. Like immediately after, dropped 45,000. Bounced back up, dropped again to 40,000. Pretty insane. Definitely pretty insane. Now we're having new events here though. So moving on. The ETF. Let's look at what Benjamin Cohen says. I sincerely doubt that this is a double top for Bitcoin. It is much more likely that we are building out support above the prior all-time high in April 2021. These prices could be the next bear market bottom for Bitcoin much later on. To think like that is how you have to think. These prices that we are at could be the next bear market bottom. This could be where we bottom out. So that's very freaking bullish right there. To continue on to Bitcoin, we're going to get on to Hbar and then Quant after this. But the upgrade to Bitcoin, the Taproot upgrade is happening. Okay, the Taproot upgrade is happening here. And what the Taproot upgrade is, basically, it changes the snore signatures. So hopefully Bitcoin stops snoring. Okay. It changes the snore signatures. And there's going to be potential for smart contracts on Bitcoin, which means DeFi on Bitcoin. Yeah, DeFi on the dinosaur. DeFi on the dinosaur, man. We're going to see what happens. I just don't see a point, to be honest. Actually, I kind of do, but what the hell is this over here? Rare photos that'll change my perspective? What the hell? I want to see a rare photo of XRP at $50. How about that rare photo? Okay. So we get extra privacy, cheaper transactions, and smart contracts and better scalability. So this is not going to really do anything immediately to the price or anything. This is just like a long-term upgrade. This is the most important upgrade for like 4 years on Bitcoin. So imagine a cryptocurrency that doesn't get upgrades for 4 years. Yeah, it's Bitcoin, the dinosaur. Okay, moving on. Look at this Hbar. This is what I've just been like. You guys know I'm still learning technical analysis, but this is just what I feel with Hbar, and I'm just drawing what I feel. This thing is about to give you your last and final opportunity to take profit on Hbar, depending on where you got in. As we can see over here, this is where I took profit initially. I said to buy Hbar at 11 cents. What happened right after? Bow, all the way up to freaking 45. 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, 4 top, 5 POC. Who's POC? He's POC, none. Okay, I did that joke on my TikTok. That's an 8 Mile Eminem joke. 1 top, 2 top, 3 POC, 4. Okay? These gave you opportunities. You could have seen, oh, bounce back to 30. Boom, bounced up again. What are we going to do again? Bounce exactly back to 30. Bounce up again. Like this just gave you, and you could see them descending right here. The trend was lower highs right here. Boom, 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 boom. But then we had sort of an accumulation period for Hbar, right? And started to form these higher highs right here, going into markup, essentially, right? In Wyckoff, I think. The little that I've studied about Wyckoff shows me that this could be the markup. Boom. Topped out right here at 58. Now, once we break out of this right here, I think that it's going to transfer over here, and we might break. We either break this 58 or we literally stay below it and we just bounce off of it. And you better be taking profits. On the next major Hbar run, if we get to 65, 70 cents, I'm going to take profits again. That doesn't mean sell my whole bag. I'm never selling my whole bag of Hbar, right? I'll always have a moon bag in there, but that's what I'm feeling on that. And then QNT, I wanted to talk about. This just got a new Gemini listing. We have been listed QNT on Gemini along with Shiba Inu. Come on, bro. Fetch AI is one that I kind of like. Numeraire. So Quant, good Gemini listing right here. I can't believe this thing already. Like, we just got a wick to 340. Okay. Hold on. Let me get off these. 340, right? We had a huge wick to 340. Look at that volume bar sticking out right there. Now, let's talk about the XRP airdrop right here. Actually, letess talk about the VanEck ETF first. So yesterday, an ETF was denied by the SEC. In short, it was denied because it's not consistent with the rules. Well, guess what, the SEC? Guess what, SEC? The freaking rules are ancient, probably. They're probably complying with 1932 rules, dude. This is digital asset revolution. We need new rules. We need a new freaking... I like what BitBoy said. We need a new, like, regulator to just focus on digital assets. Like, screw the SEC and screw the CTFC and all this, FinCEN, blah, blah, blah. Make a new one called Digital Asset Regulators or something like that. I can't come up with a name. So they did this, and it's just, of course, we kind of knew this would happen. And on the Bitcoin chart, like, dude, watch this, okay? This huge candle right here. No. This one. The recent one. Where is it? Let me go to the 6 hour. I can actually see it better. Yeah, this right here, November 10. ETF was denied down here. Look what I said on my TikTok. I said that this was Evergrande FUD pushed out for them to dump before the ETF gets denied. They pushed it all the way up to 68,000. They took profit. Boom. It's basically a matching candle, the same body, exact same. Just dropped it down. They just dropped it down right here again before the ETF, and then we continue down more. But we are printing kind of upwards here. Now, the final thing, or a couple final things. Ethereum, the EIP 1559 has led to over 850,000 ETH being burned, which is $4 billion. Steady incline. Guess what? ETH is becoming deflationary, you Bitcoin idiots. Ethereum is becoming deflationary to all the Bitcoin maxis. I'm contemplating, bro, taking all my profit into ETH. I'm contemplating. That doesn't mean I'm doing it. That means I'm contemplating. People just misconstrue the words. Oh, he said he's taking all profit to ETH. No, I'm contemplating that. I'm even contemplating taking all profit to Hbar. Yeah, that's how much balls I have in crypto. What that means is selling all my crypto 50 to 60%, 70% even sometimes, or maybe, exiting the market into Hbar instead of USDC or something else. Okay, that's a crazy play, but don't be doing that if you don't know how to do that. So let's talk about XRP, NFTs, and this airdrop. We have this amazing little snippet from Xpunks right here. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but just to get the vibe, look at this. They're launching fractionized. Damn, their music is loud. Fractionalized NFTs. Okay, so these Xpunks, look at this. This visualization is how you should visualize it. So imagine you own one Xpunk and it's worth $10,000. Imagine that you could sell a square, a pixel of this to somebody. They could invest in this square. Bro, fractionalized NFTs, Xpunks. I'm in there. I bought one for my dad. I have one myself. I also have my custom one that they so nicely gave me. Thank you again. So, Sologenic DEX, okay? Sologenic is the airdrop. You're going to get airdropped the equivalent, basically, of your XRP or your Sologenic. So, let me know if you guys want a full video on this. Maybe I'll do a full video. But this article, the link will be in the description. You can read all of this. So, a basic overview. December 24th, they're taking a snapshot, which means a picture of your balance. A snapshot of your balance. So if you're holding something in your wallet, there's going to be a picture taken. And if you are holding shit at that point, you're in for the airdrop, right? So you have to have a trust line set up to the Sologenic gateway. How you can learn how to do this is go to my playlist section, go down to Crypto Beginner Course, and there should be a video, XRP NFT tutorial, how to buy on your phone. Okay, this video does show you how to set up a trust line.
NFTs are...
Bro, he needs to shut up, man. He keeps interrupting me. XRP NFTs will show you, this will show you how to set up a trust line, right? I might do a video on just how to set up a trust line. I think that's valuable. But basically, just go connect your Zoom wallet, XUMM wallet, or your Decent hardware wallet. Connect it to Sologenic, which happens up here. Right now, my Zoom is connected. I only have 43 XRP in my Zoom right now. But that's connected. There will be 200 million Solo token, right, which has steadily increased, man. Look at this steady increase. If you bought here, you're rich, dude. You're like 20x'd. Crazy. So I do expect this to dump though once the airdrop happens, or shortly, like soon. We're approaching December 24. So you either have to own Solo or XRP. So I encourage you to read this. If you want a full video, let me know in the comments, and by liking this video, I might do a full video. But just to make you aware, there's a Sologenic airdrop happening. I will be participating. But that is all we've got for the daily market update. Big things happening, okay? Big things happening. I'm thinking it's about to get real quick, okay? It's about to get real quick. So follow on Instagram, follow on Twitter, join the Telegram group, and goodbye. Still can't stop it.